Hi. Welcome to Just Trading. In this video, our team gives you an analysis with the information we got after the closing date time of September 16, 2019. Our objective is to give you alternatives to trade with less risk and higher capital return. Remember to stop the video at any time, if you want to look at it carefully. We show you the SP500 ETF and it belongs to the Bull Normal class. Our analysis shows you a weak opportunity to buy. We are expecting a buy return of 1.2%. This top opportunity has a maximum buy price of $301.66, but we expect a possible buy price of $295.25. We show you the Dow Jones Industrial ETF and it belongs to the Bull Normal class. Our analysis shows you a weak opportunity to buy. We are expecting a buy return of 1.0%. This top opportunity has a maximum buy price of $273.49, but we expect a possible buy price of $267.21. We show you the Nasdaq 100 ETF and it belongs to the Bull Normal class. Our analysis shows you a weak opportunity to buy. We are expecting a buy return of 1.6%. This top opportunity has a maximum buy price of $192.27, but we expect a possible buy price of $187.47. Let's look at the market sectors table. There is a weak opportunity to buy discretionary sector ETF. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 7.9%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $121.79, but we expect a possible buy price of $119.58. On the other hand, there is a strong opportunity to sell energy sector ETF. You can observe, it has an expected sell return of 3.8%. You may sell it at a minimum price of $62.4, but we expect a possible sell price of $64.45.
We show you the energy sector ETF and it belongs to the Bull Normal class. Our analysis shows you a strong opportunity to sell. We are expecting a sell return of 3.8%. This top opportunity has a minimum sell price of $62.4, but we expect a possible sell price of $64.45. Let's look at the stocks table of energy sector. There is a weak opportunity to buy AOG Resources. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 7.2%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $84.16, but we expect a possible buy price of $82.59. Our analysis does not list a top opportunity to sell. Chevron Corporation is a strong new sell alternative. It is on a Bull Normal class. In the past, our analysis shows you that it has given an average sell return of 2.1%. You may expect now a sell return of 4.5%. We suggest to sell it at a minimum price of $122.71, but we expect a possible sell price of $126.8. In addition, we suggest to invest a maximum of 10.0% of your capital if you decide to sell it. Financial sector ETF belongs to the Bull Normal class. Today, our analysis does not list it as an opportunity to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of financials sector. There is a mild opportunity to buy American Express. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 8.6%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $119.02, but we expect a possible buy price of $114.08. On the other hand, there is a strong opportunity to sell Charles Schwab. You can observe, it has an expected sell return of 2.0%. You may sell it at a minimum price of $40.34, but we expect a possible sell price of $45.24. American Tower was a previous top buy alternative. Today, our analysis is suggesting to continue holding it long. You can observe that American Tower is a trade low class. In the past, it has given an average buy return of 0.0%. You may expect now a buy return of 4.4%. We suggest to sell it at a minimum price of $226.4. On the other hand, we suggest to stop buying if the price is $209.65.
Healthcare sector ETF belongs to the bull-low class. Today, our analysis does not list it as an opportunity to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of healthcare sector. Our analysis does not list a top opportunity to buy. Our analysis does not list a top opportunity to sell. Bristol-Myers Squibb was a previous top sell alternative. Today, our analysis is suggesting to continue holding it short. You can observe that Bristol-Myers Squibb is a bull high class. In the past, it has given an average sell return of 2.4%. You may expect now a sell return of 2.0%. We suggest to buy it at a maximum price of $48.49, but we expect a possible buy price of $48.19. On the other hand, we suggest to stop selling if the price is $51.05. United Health Group was a previous top buy alternative. Today, our analysis is suggesting to continue holding it long. You can observe that United Health Group is a trade high class. In the past, it has given an average buy return of 3.2%. You may expect now a buy return of 2.7%. We suggest to sell it at a minimum price of $240.67, but we expect a possible sell price of $241.15. On the other hand, we suggest to stop buying if the price is $211.69. Industrial sector ETF belongs to the bull normal class. Today, our analysis does not list it as an opportunity to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of industrials sector. There is a weak opportunity to buy United Technologies. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 5.3%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $136.87, but we expect a possible buy price of $134.74. On the other hand, there is a strong opportunity to sell Emerson Electric. You can observe, it has an expected sell return of 0.6%. You may sell it at a minimum price of $65.1, but we expect a possible sell price of $68.88.
We show you the materials sector ETF and it belongs to the bull normal class. Our analysis shows you a weak opportunity to buy. We are expecting a buy return of 2.5%. This top opportunity has a maximum buy price of $58.58, but we expect a possible buy price of $56.93. Let's look at the stocks table of materials sector. There is a mild opportunity to buy Air Products Chemicals. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 10.8%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $219.76, but we expect a possible buy price of $208.7. Our analysis does not list a top opportunity to sell. Discretionary sector ETF belongs to the bull normal class. Today, our analysis does not list it as an opportunity to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of discretionary sector. There is a weak opportunity to buy Walt Disney Company. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 14.9%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $137.58, but we expect a possible buy price of $132.25. On the other hand, there is a strong opportunity to sell Tesla Incorporated. You can observe, it has an expected sell return of 1.6%. You may sell it at a minimum price of $245.67, but we expect a possible sell price of $253.24. Consumer Staples ETF belongs to the bear high class. Today, our analysis does not list it as an opportunity to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of staples sector. There is a strong opportunity to buy Colgate-Palmolive. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 10.0%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $69.45, but we expect a possible buy price of $68.12. On the other hand, there is a weak opportunity to sell Philip Morris. You can observe, it has an expected sell return of 1.7%. You may sell it at a minimum price of $74.04, but we expect a possible sell price of $74.12. Procter & Gamble is a mild new buy alternative. It is on a trade low class. In the past, our analysis shows you that it has given an average buy return of 1.0%. You may expect now a buy return of 1.6%. We suggest to buy it at a maximum price of $121.01, but we expect a possible buy price of $117.69. In addition, we suggest to invest a maximum of 10.0% of your capital if you decide to buy it.
Technology sector ETF belongs to the bull normal class. Today, our analysis does not list it as an opportunity to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of technology sector. There is a mild opportunity to buy Western Digital. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 18.2%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $62.98, but we expect a possible buy price of $60.01. Our analysis does not list a top opportunity to sell. Applied Materials was a previous top buy alternative. Today, our analysis is suggesting to continue holding it long. You can observe that Applied Materials is a bull low class. In the past, it has given an average buy return of 2.7%. You may expect now a buy return of 2.0%. We suggest to sell it at a minimum price of $51.96, but we expect a possible sell price of $53.02. On the other hand, we suggest to stop buying if the price is $49.16. We show you the communication sector ETF and it belongs to the Bull Normal class. Our analysis shows you a weak opportunity to buy. We are expecting a buy return of 4.8%. This top opportunity has a maximum buy price of $51.15. But we expect a possible buy price of $50.06. Let's look at the stocks table of communication sector. There is a mild opportunity to buy Comcast Corporation. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 3.8%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $46.06. But we expect a possible buy price of $44.75. On the other hand, there is a mild opportunity to sell T-Mobile US. You can observe, it has an expected sell return of 5.3%. You may sell it at a minimum price of $80.18, but we expect a possible sell price of $82.81. Utilities sector ETF belongs to the trade low class. Today, our analysis does not list it as an opportunity to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of utilities sector. Our analysis does not list a top opportunity to buy. Our analysis does not list a top opportunity to sell.
This ends the analysis of our team that gives you a good start on your trading day. Please, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share it and leave it a like if you find it useful. Thanks for following us. We hope to see you on our next JusTrading video. Bye.